welcome back to my channel. We're in the little radio cubby hole in the house. Today's video is on the motorhome. Got to replace the exhaust. Got a few things to do since we've moved out of it and we're now living in brickwork. First thing was pull all the wiring out that accumulated over the year I was living in it. Now it needs an MOT because it's been sat there for a few months. So, and then yeah, we sold. So the exhaust is going to be done today on this video. Then we've got a tiny bit of welding to do on a cross member. It's the only bit of rust in the whole vehicle. That's going to get addressed, and then wheel bearings, then put it for the MOT, and then hopefully sell it. So yeah, let's get on with swapping the exhaust over from the old rusty one to the nice new shiny one. Right, as we can see, the outer skin on that back box is gone. That's all tailpipes did it good, Nick. This box has got bubbling. So that's how we undo it. It's a full exhaust system, but it's in a funny shape. And this won't focus. Right, give that an hour and we'll come back. Rubbers and springs, one on each side. See, this bit's fine. Tailpipe. Just the outer casing came off that. It's blowing somewhere. Probably there. Don't know. Yeah, that's what's left off the outer casing. It's all loose. It's all just coming away. That one's on its way. So there's a new one. Probably the original exhaust. 94,512. Done the cam belt last year and the camshaft, but we won't go into that. Does it sound like the right exhaust? Ooh. Maybe. Well, that was completely black. Not perfect, but it's got to go back on there because that tailpipe's a bit close to the plastic. Still not connected though. You have no idea how difficult it is to video and do this one-handed. despite the ground clearance, I can only actually get one arm under the vehicle, so we're getting there. We are at the tightening up stage. Can't even see what's on the shot. Not even half a turn. Right, that's all on. Can't get a second hand in, so I've got to use mold grips on the back of the bolt, all tightened up. Now to put the little tailpipe on, chrome extension, just so the heat doesn't come straight out onto the plastic, just to divert it away a little bit. First, not forget these, like a garage in Wiltshire does. Then I need a longer bolt. That should move. Right, and that concludes it. So the exhaust is done. Pulled out all the old solar system stuff. So next to do is I've got a bit of welding to do on the front cross member. The bar's replaceable, but the hole apparently, or the spot of rust is about the size of a 5p piece. So that's getting welded up next, and front wheel bearings. For now the exhaust is done. One step closer to getting the beast sold. MOT first, that's the important thing. Alright, we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.